The muscle could be torn or something like that. We're not really 100% on what it is.
With a 1-2 for 3 points overall, and I believe the win on the day, I don't think that injury is really slowing him down all that much. And it kind of depends on how serious it is. Let's say he goes and gets an MRI and they find an actual tear and he has to go get surgery and get it fixed. How long is that going to take? How intensive is it going to be? Who knows? But this might actually just throw a little bit of a wrench in what seems to be easy running for Jett. I mean, if you're going 1-2 while you're quote unquote not feeling great, it kind of is like if you're everybody else in this field, you got to look at that and be like, what? You might have a, torn muscle or some sort of shoulder injury and you're winning races, winning overalls, and just looking fast as he does. It's it's scary if you think he's actually going to be full health. But obviously, this comes from the Hangtown crash where he sent himself basically, took a chunk out of his leg with the foot peg, and just a stupid crash that didn't need to happen. And that's kind of what happens with a lot of these injuries. It's just that one second, there we go, or little like minor thought process that you're like, oh, I can jump this, and you find out you can't jump that. But I don't know, it's kind of sad to see. Obviously you don't want to see anybody get injured and lose the season, but right now he's running fine. So I kind of guess it just depends on what they find with the MRI or whatever test they do, because whether he's racing fine now, if he decides, oh no, it's a small tear, it'll be fine, and then gets another wreck and hurts himself for longer, it's who knows? Because obviously he has announced that both him and Hunter are in for OzX, or is it OzX? Yeah. So, and then there's Motocross the Nations coming up, and obviously you don't want to hurt yourself and put yourself behind for testing for Supercross and all that kind of thing. So, I don't know. Hopefully he's fine. Hopefully this is just maybe a poll or something that can work its way out. But in the comments below, you guys tell me, who do you think wins the 450s, the 250 championships, all that kind of stuff? Did you go to Southwick? Did you enjoy it? Are you going to any race before the outdoors is over? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.
We've kind of been discussing really what it actually is, because at first we just thought it might be bruising or like something like that, or maybe pulled the muscle, but we're kind of, for how long and slow it's taken to heal, it's we might get an MRI or something, because the muscle could be torn or something like that. We're not really 100% on what it is, so we're going to use one of these brakes to go and get an MRI, or even after this one, just because we're not 100% sure what it is, because we thought this brake might help it and get it back to 100%, but each time I'd go train and ride and use it, it'd just kind of go back to that same spot, then it would heal up and then drop a bit. So it's kind of been a bit annoying in this brake, so I thought it would go a lot more, but no excuses, we still got an overall win, so definitely make it a lot easier for 100%.